isn't just about filling our heads with facts or even just reading these stories of biblical heroes. It's about filling our hearts and our souls with wonder to make worship and difference. Because I've found that sometimes people treat these Bible stories like superheroes. It's way more. All the stories of Scripture are actually wrote and it's not wording to teach the main person in the Bible. And helps us follow that which over and over again. Every story, every page full of redemption, every broken soul restored. Here's the thing, and I know I've shared this before. Real change in my life doesn't just happen if I try harder to follow those stories. Maybe that happens to you as well. It happens when you and I stop, we look up, and we think, wow, I read this book. Look at everything God has done for us, for me. And that's when our hearts really begin to change. All because you take the time to read the Bible. Check out these resources from the Word for Life at praisingworship.org. Mother's Day is May 11th.